Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by factoring numerator and denominator to reveal zeros and undefined points. These are your critical numbers. Once done, place them on a number line in order, including multiplicities. Now create a sign chart. For each interval, pick a simple test value and evaluate each factor's sign. This tells you whether the rational expression is positive or negative there. Make sure to mark excluded points from the domain so you never include them in solutions. Next, you convert the inequality into statements about signs. Is the quotient positive, negative, or zero? Then evaluate each interval on your sign chart by multiplying or dividing the factor signs accordingly. Remember, even multiplicity keeps sign, odd flips it. Once you know which intervals satisfy the inequality, decide endpoint inclusion. Include zeros if the inequality allows equality, but exclude vertical asymptotes or any value not in the domain. Finally, graph the solution on the number line. Shade each satisfying interval and use closed dots for included zeros and open circles for excluded poles. Once graphed, verify by testing a midpoint in each shaded region to confirm the original inequality holds. Also examine behavior near asymptotes to ensure correct exclusion. If results differ, troubleshoot by refactoring expressions and reevaluating signs. Because most mistakes come from missed factors or wrong multiplicity handling, fix those and the graph checks out.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.